What's up, guys? Welcome to my first YouTube video. My name's Connor. So I'm here to pick up this Kx65. It's a 2000 model. I called up my friend last night, and there's a couple things wrong with it. The cylinder needs replaced, and the piston, rings, all that. I think there's a little crack in the cylinder, so we'll go take a look at it. And yeah, we'll see what's wrong. So here's the Kx65. It's got aftermarket brake and clutch levers. I do have aftermarket grips. It's got pro taper handlebars. The cylinder and the piston is taken out of it. The rod does not have any play in it, which is really nice. I'm debating if I'm going to do a full rebuild on this, tear it down to the frame, take the motor out, clean it all up, or I'm just going to leave it in the frame. But everything looks nice. It comes with the old cylinder, which I can't use because it's got a big slit right there, if you guys can see. And gas tank comes with a full pro circuit exhaust, but the slip-on, I believe, is just stock, but it comes with the pro circuit pipe, and all the plastics are in the trash bag. So I'll get back to you guys once we have it all loaded up, and I'll examine the bike some more. So back at the garage, and got the KX back on the stand. Just to go over the bike real quick again, it's got aftermarket brake and clutch levers. Got new grips, but they're over there. So everything works. It has a new chain on it. And I'm gonna start with taking out the engine. The head and piston's already off of it. So once I get the engine out, I am going to probably start working on getting the swing arm and stuff off, and we're just going to pretty much take the bike all the way apart. But again, it comes with the full pro circuit platinum exhaust, but I think this is original slip-on. It looks original. But the plastics have some wear and tear on them, some cracks.
Maybe you should show the cracks and wear and tear. What if the guy that comes and buys it?
No, but I'm thinking, I don't know. I'm going to try to redo the plastics, and if they turn out bad, I might go ahead and buy a full plastics kit. I don't know, but it comes with a nice uni air filter. And these are the grips I was talking about. So I'm going to put those on eventually. But there the bike is, and let's start getting this thing tore down. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the time lapse. I got the cables, the throttle cable off, the carburetor off, and in the next part, I'm gonna get the engine out and start taking a look at it, making sure everything is looking good. And I'll see you guys in the next part.